To power off your Honor 600 Pro, there's multiple different ways, so let's start with, I think, the most simple one. You need to swipe down from the top right corner of the screen, and then you can click on this switch, and after that just power off your device. It's very quick, you don't need to press on any buttons. The other ways to do it is to let's open settings, because there's two different methods here that we can approach. We can scroll all the way down and then enter accessibility features and go for the shortcuts and gestures, and here we can go for press and hold power button and select power off menu. Now if you click and hold the power button, you'll be able to also power off your device. Instead, if you're using Google Assistant with the power button, you can click on the power button and then volume up button together at the same time. Hold them for a couple of seconds and you can also switch off your device. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.